Proof ask lang po, paano kung ang building na binabantayan namin ay pinademolish or cease of operation na ang company? Hindi naman nalugi ang company. Magkano po salary pay na makukuha namin? Salamat po and God bless. Well, friends, ito yung tanong ni Sir sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about separation pay po, hindi salary pay. Kasi once na cease of operation ang company, makuha ng employee is separation pay. So i-discuss natin yan based from labor code na nabasa natin and na-research. And may example po tayo. Alright? Let's get started. Unang-una, basahin natin ang Article 283 ng Labor Code of the Philippines. Closure of establishment and reduction of personnel. The employer may also terminate the employment of any employee due to the installation of labor-saving devices, redundancy, retrenchment, to prevent losses or the closing or cessation of operation of the establishment or undertaking unless the closing is for the purpose of circumventing the provisions of this title by serving a written notice on the workers and the Ministry of Labor and Employment at least 1 month before the intended date thereof. In case of termination due to the installation of labor-saving devices or redundancy, the worker affected thereby shall be entitled to a separation pay equivalent to at least 1 month pay or at least 1 month pay for every year of service, whichever is higher. In case of retrenchment, to prevent losses and in cases of closures or cessation of operations of establishment or undertaking not due to serious business losses or financial reverses, the separation pay shall be equivalent to 1 month pay or at least 1/2 month pay for every year of service, whichever is higher. A fraction of at least 6 months shall be considered 1 whole year. Simply said, friends, yung concern ni Sir na cessation or closure ng business operation nila or company, pasok po dito sa Article 283. As you listen kanina, no, na-mention po, meron silang separation pay. 1 month pay for every year of service po. So, i-multiply lang po yan. So, may example tayo later. Ang importante po na notify kayo ng employer 1 month before. And of course, yung employer ninyo, mag-report po sa DOLE or Ministry of Labor and Employment na stop operation na sila or cease of operation. Alright? So ano ang example ng separation pay ng employee? Ito po. Mr. A, example, 10,000 ang monthly niya na salary. Tapos 6 years siya in service. Madali lang po yan i-compute. I-multiply lang po yan. 10,000 times 6 years is equal to 60,000 separation pay. Yan po ang ma-receive ni employee, Mr. A. So for example, si Mr. B, 10,000 din ang monthly niya na salary, pero mas matagal siya kay Mr. A, 8 years siya. So i-multiply lang po yan, 10,000 times 8, 80,000 po ang separation pay ni Mr. B. On the other hand, si Mr. C, kung 5 years lang po siya and 6 months, 10,000 ang monthly salary niya. So na discuss kanina sa labor code, pag 6 months po, equivalent to 1 year po yan. So automatic po, yung 5 years and 6 months, magiging 6 years na po. So ang pag-multiply niyan, 10,000 times 6 years is equal to 60,000 separation pay for Mr. C. Alright? So hope na nasagot natin ang question ni Sir regarding separation pay. Hindi po salary pay, Sir, no? Separation pay po. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.